Okay, Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum. So, into lesson 35, we're going to be dealing with Khayr and Shar, which are two special words that can be used for comparison. Khayr means to be better, and Shar means to be worse. There are two types of ism sifa that can be used in pretty much two ways, right? So, comparative, they include min after, either Khayr or Shar. So, ana khayrun minhu, which means I am better than it. Then ana sharrun minhu, which means I am worse than it, right? Same pattern, just throwing on khayr, right? It's very similar to the ism tafdeel that we saw before, right? When you want the min, you use it for comparison to throw in then, and then you put in a second entity afterwards. In this case, there's a hu attached to it, meaning it. So I am better than it. Okay, so comprehensive, comparing an entity to a category, which we've spoken about before. To make khayr or shar, to achieve this, all you have to do is make khayr or shar mudaf and the category mudaf ilayhi. So it becomes hada khayrun nasi, which is this is the best of people, right? So it's a particular individual being compared to a group of people. We achieve that by putting khayr in mudaf and what we're comparing it to into mudaf ilayhi, so that becomes our category. And then we finally have hada, don't know why that's cut off there, but nonetheless it just says hada sharrun nasi, which means this is the worst of people, right? So it's referring to a particular individual and it's stating that compared to a category they are the worst of people. We achieve that via mudaf ilayhi. Alright, assalamu alaikum.